Hey, this is Mr. Peacock, and this is a quick video tutorial of how to use charms. If you are a new user, if you're a sixth grade parent, or if you moved into the Germantown band program, then this will be especially helpful for all the resources that are available through our charms database. Okay, so with this system, we're able to email you, track finances, update information, track music, instruments, inventory, all that kind of good stuff. So this is why it's so important for us to use. The first step we need is for you to log in. So when you go to charmsoffice.com, in the upper right hand corner you'll see the button to log in. And there's two choices: teachers helpers or parents students members, and you will choose parents students members. And the next screen it asks you for the school code. The school code is Germantown Bands, one word. It's not case sensitive, so it could be all lowercase, it could be all uppercase. It just has to be all one word, and then you enter charms. The next screen is going to ask you for the student area password. If you are new to Germantown, the student area password will be your child's student ID number. Now, there are zeros at the front of that number on their schedule. Do not include the zeros that are to the left of the first number. Okay, start with the very first number, usually a 1 or a 2. Enter that number in the student area password portion. Now, the next screen is going to show you, it's going to prompt you to reset the password. You're going to have to choose a different password besides the student ID number to access charms. It will not allow you to keep the student ID number. Also, this is something new. There was an update done this past year. If you've forgotten your child's password, you can no longer email us to reset it. We have no more power as teachers or band booster members to reset your child's password. It has to be done through a normal system like you would do for any other website. Let me show you. So I'm going to enter, I've already reset my password, but if I enter my student ID number, it takes me to this screen. And you have to enter the information: your child's first name, last name, email address, phone number. I think I've done it where you don't have to enter the cell phone number, at least the first name, last name, and the email address. And you click Find My Password. When you do that, you'll get an email. It might go to spam. These I tested out went to spam. And then there's this request for you to reset the password, and it looks like this. Okay, new password, confirm password, password hint. I will tell you that it's going to require you to put in at least one capital letter and a number. I believe you cannot use a special character, and it has to be at least 8 characters long. So there's that information. And once you've taken care of the password and you've logged in, let me go ahead and log in and show you the next screen. This is the hub where everything you need will be. A few things to point out will be the calendar when we get that up and running, places to volunteer, I'll show you that in a minute, finances where we'll pay the band fee, and then the first place you need to go is to update information here at the bottom. Click update information, takes you to your child's page. From here, if you want to change their first name, if that's not what they go by or if it's wrong in our system, please feel free to update it. Okay, my first name is William. All right, so you can enter your information here. Enter as much as you feel comfortable to put in. If you don't want to put in your address, but that's fine. But if you want to put in email address, please put in your email address. So we're emailing you unless you want your child to receive some of these emails as well. Down at the bottom, if you scroll down, you have a place to add new adult. Go ahead and add you and your spouse, or just one adult's fine if one of you receives more parent information than the other. Add the new adult. I'll show you. This is my dad's screen. And enter information in. Enter what you feel comfortable. We at least need the email address, how to contact you. Okay? Once you've updated information, click Update. And if you change anything on the student screen, click Update. That way it saves. It does not save everything automatically. All right, that's the most important step. This is how we contact you through email. Okay, now once you've entered that in, go up here to the left for home, go back to the hub. The next thing you'll want to do, and this may be a refresher for all of the returning members, is how to pay the band fees. The band fees are paid through here, finances. We do not accept My School Bucks. There's no option to pay the band fee on My School Bucks, and we do not accept checks. We accept cash, money orders, and through charms. And the band fee for this school year is $50. Right, click Finances. Takes you to the screen. It shows your kid's financial statement. If there are other things like trips and stuff or other financial obligations, it will show up here on this screen. As of right now, we're worried about the fixed payment, which is the band fee for this year. It says here, not paid. It says pay fixed payments. Well, before you click pay fixed payments, you have to click down here where it says AffiniPay. That's our credit card processing software. Click AffiniPay, then click pay fixed payments. There is a fee, it's a processing fee. You enter your information here and start payments. And that's how you take care of paying your child's band fee. Now let's go back home to the hub. Another area I want to point out is there will be opportunities to volunteer. We especially need parent help at the ball games, at the football games in the fall. We do have 3 home games scheduled for this school year, even with everything that's been going on. We do have need for volunteers. So you'll click on the hand raising, takes you to the volunteer opportunities. We have a drop-down menu, shows you the 3 home games we have. Let's choose the first one and show you. You show volunteer needs, and here you see the roles for the volunteers. You enter your name, cell phone, email, and sign up. And the band booster member that's in charge of that will take care of seeing you're contacted and know what to do prior to the event. But that's about it. Remember, we can no longer reset passwords. If there is a problem resetting a password, please let us know. There might be an issue with your child's ID number on our end. We may need to retype in their student ID number. We may have entered it wrong. So please let us know. You can email me at jpeacock@madison-schools.com. And if you have any questions, you can reach me there as well. Hope this was helpful, and good luck, and let me know if you have any problems or questions. Thanks.